Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few chocolate hacks from 5-minute crafts and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the next hack, I search for the same image like the video. Place a Ziploc bag on your phone. And I'm using a piping bag with melted chocolate to pipe out this half moon fairy. Honestly, I'm not at all artistic, so I could barely pipe a decent half moon, and I messed up the inside fairy, which is actually very difficult using a piping bag since we don't have much control over it. I should have used a squeezy bottle, but it's fine. I'm going to try and design a simple silhouette image. It's a cute cat photo. Pipe in one direction. I'm starting from its heart tail. Then I'm going to give it a thick border. And then I'm going to fill the inside. We forgot to change the display setting, that's why the screen was getting shut off and we had to tap it again and again. So make sure you change it beforehand. Now let it set for 10 to 15 minutes and your cake topper or chocolate decoration is ready. Comes out very easily from the Ziploc bag. Looks great as well. The fairy one is looking very funny, but the cat cake topper looks perfect. Absolutely love this hack. Rather than using a tracing paper, it's a genius hack to save time. You can adjust the size as well. If you're an artist, you can also draw intricate designs. So this hack was undoubtedly a success. For the next hack, instead of using chopped chocolate and melting it, which never works for me, I'm going to directly use half cup melted chocolate. Then add 1/4 cup of oil in a pan and mix. Then add 3 tablespoons of corn kernels. Mix it, cover and then just wait. Just when I was going to give up on popcorn hacks, the kernels started popping after 10 minutes. But I'm so happy at least they pop. Let's open the lid and see. As expected, the chocolate is completely burnt and it smells so bad. There's smoke all over our room, but still I'm going to taste it and I regretted it immediately. The taste is so bitter. I can taste only the burnt chocolate and the texture is like eating mitti, that is soil. The popcorn itself is normally very crunchy, but the chocolate is ruined. So for me, this hack is busted. I'm still hoping someday a popcorn hack will work for me. For the next hack, I'm going to dip a small balloon in melted chocolate. I haven't greased this balloon like their video. Turn it upside down and let it set. Now for the second balloon, I've greased with oil and then I'm dipping it in melted chocolate. Turn it upside down and now I'm going to let it set in the refrigerator. Now I'm going to deflate the balloon which is not greased. The balloon is completely stuck and it's just not coming out. I tried a similar balloon hack last year in the TikTok hacks and the result was same. So clearly it doesn't work. I guess the yellow balloon had a hole in it, that's why it deflated. Using a scissor, I'm going to give it a cut and slowly I'm going to remove the balloon. It definitely takes a lot of time and patience, but after 25 minutes, finally the balloon is out. There are tiny spots of yellow color because of which I don't think it's safe to consume it since it's rubber plus artificial color, but for decor it's fine. This chocolate bowl also got a beautiful coconut-like texture because of the deflating balloon, which looks very unique. I'm going to decorate our chocolate balloon, placing 1 ice cream scoop, some pomegranate seeds, banana slices, drizzle some caramel sauce over it, and I'm going to sprinkle some cocoa powder. Looks decent, but actually the chocolate bowl is in one piece, so I guess this hack was a 50-50. For the next hack, I'm using the size of a bread slice, then cut it from one edge and roll it like so. Poke a skewer stick in center and secure the edges. Apply butter or oil all over the spiral bread and dip it into cinnamon sugar. I mixed 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder with 1 tablespoon caster sugar. You can also sprinkle the cinnamon sugar over the spiral bread. Place it on a baking tray or wire. If you don't have a skewer, you can also use toothpick just like me. Bake it for 8 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. It smells so good and exactly like I'm baking a cinnamon bun. Dip it into melted dark chocolate and let it set for 4 to 5 minutes in room temperature. Let's taste it now. The taste is very unique. It's super crunchy and kind of like sweet bread toast. The chocolate and cinnamon combination is amazing. It's a nice way to use the leftover edges. Looks super fancy as well. Love this hack and it was a success. After the last video, most of the comments were to retry this balloon hack. So on a large mug, I'm placing a small balloon. Using a squeezy bottle, I'm going to pipe out circular design, creating a mesh all over the balloon, almost till its tip. I couldn't pipe the bottom part when the balloon was on the cup, so I picked up the balloon and completed the design till the tip. But now I don't know how to place it back, and while placing it, the balloon design got ruined from the bottom. So I thought of a jugaad. I tied another balloon with a thread on the camera stand. Then lifting it up, I'm going to pipe the design. After finishing one side, I'm going to slowly keep it down and pipe the remaining design. The process was way easier in this method and it was so much fun. Now I'm going to let it set completely. Then after it sets, I'm going to cut the thread and place it upside down on a glass. Now let's burst the balloon. I don't know why the balloon didn't burst only. Instead, it was tearing in the shape of the design. Maybe because of refrigerating it. The chocolate set and it stuck completely to the balloon. Let's try the other balloon which I didn't refrigerate. Okay, it's the same. Honestly, it's fun to poke, but even after trying it so many times, it didn't work for me. If it's working for you, definitely send a video of you doing this hack on Instagram or on the email provided in the description box below. I will send you a gift, so it could be kind of like a giveaway. But coming back to this hack is just not working for me. For the next hack, I'm adding melted dark chocolate on a thoroughly washed bubble wrap. Spread it out evenly and let it set for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Let's demold it carefully. Looks amazing and actually like a honeycomb. Just for fun, I'm going to break this chocolate. Wow, the chocolate has a perfect snap to it. It's a great decoration hack. Or you can just give this fancy looking chocolate to anyone and impress them instead of a basic chocolate. It will look beautiful as a cake topper as well. This hack was a success. For the next hack, I'm going to dip a ladle which is greased with oil into melted dark chocolate. Drip off the excess and let it set completely. Let's demold it now. Clearly, there's no way it's going to come out. Literally, I have to scrape it off to remove the chocolate. So I tried again and this time I'm going to double coat the chocolate. Let's demold that. Now it's at least coming out. But it's breaking and not coming out as a whole cup. I don't know, maybe I did something wrong, but in their video I can clearly see that the shape and size of the chocolate bowl is only changed after freezing. So maybe they did some jhol or maybe not, but for me this hack was busted. Try these fun hacks and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Sehla Saidu Muhammad, Nehla 8C and All About Dogs. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.